up this, are we?
Yeah.
This is my nightmare. I'll have nightmares forever. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! There's cars behind us. There's cars behind us.
We're Morgan, Chris, Jonah, and Jude. We ditched the 9-to-5 to spend time with each other after years of missing out. We're exploring every state in the U.S., creating experiences that grow us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now?
Hi,
explorers.
Greetings from
California.
We're actually staying in San Francisco's Northern Bay area because we couldn't even drive our regular truck in the city.
We've already been over the bridge and we missed our exit for the parking lot. And so we did a U-turn and we missed it again. And now we're going back over the bridge, and we got to do another U-turn to come back over the bridge again to find a parking spot. And hopefully we actually find it this time.
Oh,
I think my wing mirror clipped it.
Cool. So now we hit a police car. This is a great start.
It was the really extended mirror.
But then you just keep going.
What do you mean they're on a bridge?
I love it here. I just imagine us living in one of these little townhomes. Of course, I'd like the ones that face the water. But it's so pretty, isn't it? Okay, I take it back. I don't know if I can move here. I have that reoccurring dream where I go straight up a hill and then I like fall down the hill like I'm driving.
Way through the Lombard Street,
And this is terrifying to me. Oh my gosh, no! No, stop it! Stop it! It's not funny! The house from Full House and Fuller House now is coming up. I'm so excited. This one? Ah, look! This isn't it, is it? Chris! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys, what? Oh, they're like these boys
This is probably the curviest one.
Oh no!
Why would you bring a freaking truck?
Look at their look, they're like because we have points to prove here. Got a life to live. Billy can do it. Just like this. What do you guys think of this?
I'm scared. I'm trying to get down here.
We're not going up this, are we?
Yeah.
This is my nightmare. I'll have nightmares forever. I will have nightmares for the rest of my life. I'm not even joking. This is nightmare central. I will have nightmares. This is what I've had nightmares about, and I know why now because it was deja vu because this is actually happening in real life. I can't even. This person has got to go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! There's cars behind us. There's cars behind us. I'm gonna get you guys out, okay? Okay? Is this emergency brake on? You have to come with me. You have to do it fast.
I literally thought the truck was going to tip over at one point. Besides actually rolling down the hill backwards because we didn't have enough oomph to get over the hill.
I took the kids out.
She took the kids out.
I was terrified.
She was
I said, put the emergency brake on. I got the kids out and we ran to the sidewalk because I didn't want any part of that. I'm
People
seriously
probably thought, what is she
scarred for
doing?
life. I'm scarred for life, and so is Jonah. I know he is.
Hazards were on, backing all the way down the street as slowly as I could. And then I pulled into a parking spot. All the parking spots are sideways and you're on a hill. Like this, I thought the truck was going to tip over. It was crazy. But drama out of the way.
We have wanted to go to San Francisco for a long time, especially me. So we each made our own bucket list and we just worked through it and checked things off.
I just pulled up, I got out to check the meter, and there's still 50 minutes left on it. So this.
Let's go! 50 minutes!
When the sun
San
beats down,
Francisco!
the top up on and your shoes get so hot, you wish your tired feet was fireproof. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea.
I can't wait to see this like forever, like my whole life.
some fun. Under the boardwalk. People walking about. Under the boardwalk.
This is so beautiful.
Under the boardwalk. Boardwalk.
I'm
Happy to have met.
Look at him!
Smells so good.
Smells so good! Oh my gosh!
Write the person's name on the side of the box.
Okay.
Write your message on the slips. Hand it to the pretty ladies to fold your cookies.
Let's do it. Aw, that's
So nice, he's gonna love it.
aw.
Thank you. Judy, you made your own fortune cookie. Yay!
Oh, what's it say?
It says, I love you, Jude.
Can I see it? It says, I love you, Jude. Aww.
Alright, how's it taste?
Really good. It's like a waffle cone.
The Golden Gate Bridge. What?
This is terrifying, actually. It seems way scary to be under it than on top of it. Oh my gosh!
Under a bridge.
How are you feeling right now?
Not good. Not good. Heights and bridges. My two biggest fears combined. Oh my gosh, where are you taking me, child? Where are we running to?
I love California.
What are you doing? Chill. We have a couple of takeaways that we think were really important to note. First being, it felt really safe. We have friends that live in California that told us to just not even go to San Francisco because it was so seedy and the crime was so bad. And I'm sure there's areas where that does happen. People told us just to avoid the Tenderloin, different places. But every place that we went, we felt incredibly safe. They were really well patrolled. And I felt a lot less safe in a lot of other big cities.
And one of my takeaways was, don't give up on parking. Don't go for those big expensive lots that are like $30. It's ridiculous. There's parking spots out there. And I think we ended up spending like $2 total.
The whole day.
Yeah.
We really lucked out, but but do not
They're
give
out
up.
there.
And it's doable to drive too. We didn't know that. We
Is it
didn't know.
doable to drive?
Yes, it is. I mean, as far as parking,
Just
because
don't go up any massive
we didn't
hills.
know if we were going to shuttle in or do something like that. But I was so happy that we had a car because we could get from place to place a lot faster.
Yes.
And I think the one that Chris keeps dwelling on is the Full House house.
Yeah, there's no way they had that massive backyard. I mean, the house.
You never know. You don't know what it looks like back there, but he's convinced that could just never be a possibility. Thank you so much for coming with us on our adventures. We look forward to taking you with us next week. It's going to be a really great adventure.
It's going to be huge.
Yes.
Enormous. Massive.
Yeah. See you then.
Cheers. This is my 5th time going over the bridge today. I'm kind of sick of it now. I feel like I'm so close to the edge. I want to get in the
I
middle.
think that's a song.
Don't push me because I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to hit the bridge.
It came out!
Oh my goodness.
Ah, smile. Give me a smile.
I was just wiggling it, and it turned around this way, and it fell out, so
Let me see that smile.
I'm bleeding.
Aww.